If you want to edit a slow motion video on a OnePlus 15R, you can just simply open Photos on your phone. Then you want to open the slow motion video that you have, and then we're gonna tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Wait a couple of seconds to import the video, and then we should start editing it. Now in here, as you can see, we have many different options, but generally speaking, if you care, for example, about adjusting the speed of the video, then over here we can tap on the change speed option, and you can just move it left to right over here in order to manually adjust the speed. You can also tap on a curve in order to apply one of these patterns. And also what you can do is, for example, you can cut the or split the video into multiple parts. So let's say I'm going to tap on split in here and also in here, and then I can just tap on the selected part of the video and I can adjust the speed just for that part in here. So if I now play it, as you can see, this part is rather quick and this one is in slow motion, and then of course we can make this one, for example, really fast as well. So now if I press play, first we have the slow motion effect, and then once the split happens, now it is sped up again. So remember to use the save button here in the upper right corner once you are done with the editing. And like I said, also we have some different additional options here at the bottom of the screen, which might be quite helpful to use. At the top, we can also adjust the resolution, so you might want to increase it to 4K, and you can also choose the frame rate in here, and then of course we can save our video. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.